Ryobi came out with a brand new nailer today. Can you believe it? Awesome.
Really? What? Are you kidding me? Dude, I just bought this. It just came out.
Excuse me. If you're talking about the brand new tools that were released this morning from Ryobi, then you would be mistaken. They are extended magazines for the 21 and 30 degree nailer, so you can fit full rows of nailers at the full round head. 2 inches to 3.5 inches. It says right here. You gotta read these things and stop being such an idiot. Well, I looked at the pictures and looked like a new nailer, but I guess I could be wrong. Dang.
Dude, you guys have got to be kidding me. This has got to be like a really bad dream.
Oh, hey. Good morning.
It's just a bad dream.
And
What the?
Ryobi has really nice 6-inch tweezers. That's cool.
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon, baby! Ryobi! Holy shit!